In this video, I'm going to show you how to scale an object to a specific length in AutoCAD using the reference option for precise resizing. Start by selecting the object you want to resize, such as a door, wall, or drawing component. Next, type scale into the command line and press enter. AutoCAD will ask for a base point, which acts as the anchor point during scaling, so click a logical point on the object. After selecting the base point, type R for reference and press enter. Now click the two endpoints that represent the object's current length. This tells AutoCAD which measurement you want to change. Once the reference length is defined, simply type the new desired length and press enter. AutoCAD will instantly resize the object proportionally to match the new measurement accurately. This method is extremely useful because it eliminates manual calculations and ensures precise scaling every time. Whether you are resizing architectural elements, imported drawings, or design components, using reference scaling makes the process faster and more reliable. Thanks for watching and happy drafting with AutoCAD.